What if I tell you that premium wireless headphones with active noise cancellation like the Sony 1000XM3 and the Bose Quiet Comfort series have a reasonably priced and probably better alternative? It's called MU6. Hey, welcome, it's the Tech4O channel and the warmest hello from me, Michael. I hope you're enjoying a wonderful day. It can get even better with some more music. And some more MU6. I believe this is the intention behind the name, which otherwise would sound like a code name, MU6. Probably it's the most effective active noise cancellation and the purest sound I've ever heard from a high-end Bluetooth headset. Of course, perception about sound is something very personal, but I don't see how someone wouldn't fall in love with the features and the design of this headset. A short disclaimer, I borrowed this unit from a friend who has backed the project during the crowdfunding campaign, and I'm not affiliated with the manufacturer, and as usual, my honest opinion about the hardware, the software, and the overall performance. And let's see if we can keep this positive attitude until the end. Starting with the unboxing. Not quite sure whether this is the retail box. It definitely is the top-end package for the backers who initially helped for boosting the project. And it's a big box. The unboxing experience is remarkable. The more I was seeing and discovering, the more exciting it was getting. Look at this awesome idea about saving some space with the user guide. And here are some cables, the headphones, and a charging station. The only part that felt somewhat disconnected from the whole thing was this additional storage box, which was outside the original packaging, but it's probably here so that we can actually find something to criticize. Materials used clearly are of great quality, and I like the feeling better than the Bose Quiet Comfort 35 and probably just a bit more than the Sony 1000XM3, and I've shown you both of them in a short video a while ago. Although in Indiegogo the campaign was titled Affordable Smart Noise Cancelling Headphones, I'd rather count them as affordable and premium headphones because that's what they essentially are. Let me justify this statement with the specs: USB Type-C, Bluetooth 5.0, a brilliant magnetic charging stand, 40mm drivers, auto pause and play, and really superb audio quality. It's amazing how much of quality and features are packed within this price below $200. The headphones are very simple to use. There are a few control buttons, no gestures to confuse you, well clickable and easy to access. And this is the secret behind the automatic pausing and playing I've mentioned. It's a proximity sensor which detects whether the headphones are on your head or not. One of the most awesome features and very well implemented. I've tested it a lot and it turns out to be very accurate. The other thing I liked a lot is the quick volume down option. Just place your hand on top of the speaker and the volume goes down, and the ANC function is temporarily stopped so that you can hear everything around you without taking the headphones off. It's pretty neat. With such a good degree of build quality and isolation, you don't hear too much anyways, but it is better with rather than without it. The sound quality is further enhanced by the support of the aptX-LL codec by Qualcomm. We can only praise the hybrid noise cancellation system, which is better than most of the competitors from the premium segment, and its performance is also up to par with the expectations. The embedded battery delivers a full day of listening to music at moderate volume with ANC on, and probably a day and a half without noise cancellation. This all is achieved with only 2 hours of charging. Furthermore, if you often use the stand, the charging happens seamlessly, and overall the MU6 headphones have fantastic battery life. But wait a moment, we're not over yet. There's Bluetooth, so there's a smartphone app, of course. And it actually is also great. Easy to understand interface, and you can fine-tune everything from the noise cancellation performance to a deep test of your hearing. An equalizer is available, and of course so are a few different modes for the playback settings. Knowing exactly how expensive the premium audio products are, the MU6 model is breath of fresh air in the highly saturated market. And this device literally excels in every aspect. And the more you use it, the more you like it. Since we need to be as accurate as possible, there's no voice assistant embedded, so probably that's one of the reasons for the very affordable price. And despite that, the MU6 has quickly become one of my favorite gadgets of 2019. At the moment of making the video, the Indiegogo campaign is over, and looks like the only way to purchase them is the official website mu6.live with free worldwide shipping. If you know a better place to get them from, make sure to share with everybody else in the comment section below, where I'd love to find out about your initial impressions. A big thanks to my dear mate Miro, who continues to pick and support gadgets by some of the most exciting tech startups. With good music, a big smile and wishes for a wonderful day, I think my job here is done. It's been a delight to show you the MU6 and all its features, and I would love to inspect more cool tech together with you. So please subscribe and come back soon. Bye!